Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating immediate conditions for success. Turn on a bright light and silence music or TV so you can hear clicks. Walk to the room where you last used the remote and sweep systematically, top to bottom, left to right, checking couch seams and under furniture. Once done, glance in obvious storage, drawers, coat pockets, and near charging docks. Make sure to remove cushions and lift rugs. Small remotes roll into tight spaces and hide under low objects. Once you haven't found it by sight, switch to digital tools. Open the Google TV app and use its remote feature to confirm the remote's functions are working and to rule out TV faults. If your remote supports Bluetooth, scan nearby devices for its name to approximate location. Make sure to test basic commands from the app. If the TV responds, then concentrate on physical search zones. Also try retracing your steps, thinking about where you sat and which surfaces you used. You finish by methodically rechecking overlooked areas: bags, laundry, behind electronics, and inside couch frames. If you still can't find the remote, swap in fresh batteries to verify it's not a power issue, then use a universal remote or the Google TV app as a temporary control. Make sure to pause and call out to anyone else in the home. Someone may have moved it. If all fails, order a replacement or contact the device maker for pairing help and next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.